Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is another helpful RV tip.
Hey, it's Brandon with RV Traveling with Six. It's been a while since we posted anything, so I'm actually got our Aqua Pro out, having to regenerize it because we've had to store it because of the cold weather we've been in. So, and it's about that time anyway. So I was going to walk you through the steps. I will get a video posted of us setting that up. The content come in pretty bad, and so I'm trying to fix it up, and it's taken a pretty good amount of time. But we'll go ahead and show you what we're doing here. The footage, you can see that I'm actually running everything into the sewage. The reason being is the regeneration requires salt. And so, but we'll get back to that here in just a second. So we have the Aqua Pro. It's a travel edition. And you can see it's pretty compact. It doesn't take the seconds to hook this thing up. But you'll have to order separately a Regeneration Kit. And this thing runs roughly, I think, around $54, $56. It comes with a pre-filter, and I'll show you that here just in a second. It works wonders. It takes the extra metals and stuff like that out of the water before it even hits your water softener, so that way it'll actually, your water softener will last a little bit longer, and then plus you're getting a little bit more protection, pulling those extra minerals out of the water, the bad ones anyway. And so, I'll show you the filter. You do have to pull out the filter before starting this, and you can see this white stuff down on the bottom is actually the salt. You fill this thing up with 2 pounds of salt, and that's what actually regenerizes the basin. So this is actually the pre-filter that you'll take out of it. As you can see, it's 2 parts, and so you must take this out before you do the regeneration, and you have to put the salt in there anyway. So, but it will tell you in your owner's manual what to do and exactly how to do it. As far as the stuff to use to regenerate is just regular table salt, and you can go buy this at Walmart. So you'll use 2 pounds. Each one of these canisters are 1 pound, so you'll need 2 of these. And I actually realized that it might be a little bit over what it actually it's 1 pound 10 ounces is what this is. So you won't be able to fit exactly all of it in there. So, but and as far as the stream, after you pour that into the actual canister, you'll get all your hoses. It comes with a little hose, as you can see, and then it comes with the adapters, so you can put that all together. And then as far as your water stream, you want it to be pencil size, and so that way it's not shooting out too much, and then that way it's not staying in there. So as far as your setup is regenerizing, it's just the same as setting it up. You do have to do a backwash. So the line's gonna have to be going through the out, and then going from the outflow is going to be going through the in, and that's what gets you the back flush. Just very similar to, you remember the old swimming pools. So when you do a back flush, it's doing the exact same thing. So, but anyway, as far as the importance of the reason why I'm actually sending all the water through the septic, if you dump all this salt on the ground, it's going to kill all the vegetation around it. And since we do travel full-time, we're in RV parks all the time, so do not run that stuff on the ground. You're going to kill all their grass, flowers, trees. I mean, it'll kill a lot, because that's just pure salt going onto the ground, large amounts. 2 pounds is quite a bit. So you'll definitely piss off the park, and then you'll run it for everybody else trying to regenerate their water softeners. So be polite, excuse me, and then run that stuff down in the sewer, so that way you don't destroy anything as far as park property. So, but as far as running this backwash, you'll actually run it from 20 to 30 minutes, and then after you run all the salt, you'll actually have to do an additional 10 minutes, just a straight backwash, and that'll make sure that all the salt's out of the system, so that way when you hook it back up, you're not inside drinking salt water. So, and as you can tell, the kids are starting to come out to play laser tag, so I'm going to go ahead and probably kill this video because there's going to be a lot of background noise. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like to see more content. So also, if you have any questions about anything that we're doing, shoot those down in the comments. We'd love to have some ideas on some new content as far as videos. Because we're kind of a little lost, so we're doing a little bit here and there. As you can tell, we really do not show too much family content. We're kind of private people. So, but anyway, thank you and have a good one.